Hello everybody, welcome back to Carol's Designs. So today I'm going to be showing you how to design a construction flyer or a building design flyer like what you're seeing on my screen. So today I'm having some issues with my laptop, so I'm using my phone for this particular recording. So sorry for any inconveniences. So if you've liked this video till the end, can you like this video, share, and leave all your questions in the comment sections, and subscribe for more videos. Okay, so first let's create our document. So we go to new, and then we choose A4. Let's choose A4 size, right? Okay, so my size is already in A4, so let's just create. Okay, so first let's import our backgrounds. Okay, so you can get your background by just searching paper backgrounds. Okay, so let me borrow the background from here. So you can just search paper backgrounds on Google and you have it. Didn't work. Let me try. Yeah, it's worked now. Where's my background? It's not so visible. I don't know why it's not so visible. Okay, so there we have it. Yeah. So the magic and what makes the flyer unique is my images. Okay, so I downloaded my images from png.com. Okay, from png.com. I would also try and then upload the images on a Google Drive and then post it in the link in the description box so that you can download the images. Okay, but for now I downloaded it from pngwing.com. Okay, so when you go there, you can just type building drawing or architectural building designs, and then you have it there. All right, so let's put this right here, and then let's go and let's check our progress. Okay, so let's import this picture, right? So this flyer is very simple, especially for beginners. Okay, so there we have it. Oh no, right? So let's try and increase this. Let's put it somewhere here. And let's correct that right here. Alright, so what next? Let's try and draw our rectangles over here. No, not a triangle. Let me select a rectangle. Alright, then you give it the color. Okay, so I think I have the color already over here, so I'll just click on it to have it here. So guys, it's not necessary to get the same exact color. Okay, you can get a similar one, or you can use your eyes to just look at it and then try and copy the color. Let's bring this on top. Okay, so let's duplicate this rectangle by just Ctrl J, or you can just click and hold into this plus sign, and then it has created a copy. So you just bring the copy over here, then we'll try and make it smaller. All right, so guys, sorry if the camera is moving up and down. I'm actually using one hand to hold the camera and then another hand in the design. So let's try and find our logo. Where is our logo? logo should be somewhere here. Where are you? This one has a background. This should be our logo. Yes, this is our logo. So let's just click and hold and drop, alright? And then we'll bring it over here. Then we'll try and then reduce it, okay? Let's reduce it and put it over here. So let's correct that. So guys, as for the typing, I'll leave it to you guys, okay? So pardon me to import my typings over here, okay, to save me of the stress, since I'm using one hand for the design and the other hand to hold my camera. Yeah, so basically you can just add your text so this is just for the beginners anyway, by just using this text, and then you just click anywhere, then you can input your text, okay? So this is just, by the way, for the beginners, and you can just make this a different color by just highlighting it in the text and changing the color. All right, so now let's make the edges faint, like what we see over here. Let's make the edges faint. So you click on this, then you select eraser, okay, and then you see how the sign has changed into, it means that we can't erase all this. So when you click on it, then it tells you to rasterize it, and you click OK. So now you can edit it. So at first it wasn't editable. So let's reduce the brush small, then we'll paint the edges. Let's paint the edges, let's paint the edges, let's paint the edges. Okay, my edges look so hard, so let me try and increase the brush. All right, and then I'll paint the edges. Okay, I think this is okay. Let's compare from this. It's still not so great, so let's increase the brush. The more bigger the brush is, the more smoother it becomes. So let's do this, let's do this, let's do this, let's do this. Okay, now it's great. You do same for this. So you take your move sign, your move tool, and then you come back to your eraser, click on it to rasterize, and then yeah, so there you go. So guys, pardon me again to import the words, okay, from here. I'm sure the typing, you can just do it on your own. Okay, and then let's try and stretch the rectangle. Press on enter to correct that. Then you bring this over here, this over here. I think we will still need to stretch the rectangle. So let's try and get these icons, okay? So you can just Ctrl plus C to get it. So we have our icon here. Let's go and import the rest of the icons. So you can just click on the icon and then Ctrl C to copy the icon. Then you come and Ctrl V, it pastes over there. Then you control wherever you want to put it by holding your shift key. So guys, I'm done importing my icons, okay? You can get the icons on Google. I mean, you can just type WhatsApp icon, core icon, how do you call it, Instagram icon. It will come, okay? You don't need to worry about how to get the icons. And if you want to remove the backgrounds of the icons, I have a video on how to remove backgrounds of any picture at all, so you can check out that video. I've placed also add a method of using AI to remove your background, so you'd want to check that video out. So let's copy this, the logo. Yeah, so let's come here and copy it, guys. And also forgive me, I'm using my phone for the recording, so the camera may be moving upside down a little bit. Let's lock this, let's lock it. Then we lock it over here. Then let's come here and then we make it bigger. Oops, no. Let's make it bigger. Okay, so we want to put it behind this. Okay, so put it behind here, and then we'll decrease the opacity. Okay, so you decrease the opacity. Let's decrease the opacity. So I think 9 is okay. And then also let's try and decrease and increase the size of this more. Okay, then we'll bring it down here and click. Okay, so let's reverse this. Okay, all right, so we want it this way. So now let's decrease the size a little bit. And guys, if your size is behaving like what my size is doing, you can just press Control Shift and then you decrease it. That way each size will decrease at the same time, and you wouldn't get the length going more than the height. Okay, at this point I'm using one hand just to hold my camera, so I can't hold the Shift key. But right now, yeah, so let's just keep it this way. So basically we are done. Let's check up on our flyer. So basically that's it. So this is what we are trying to do. So I wish you all the best in following this tutorial, and if you like this video, just subscribe for me, okay, to encourage your boy, and then like for me, and then put your questions in the comment section, okay, and then you can send me your works. You can send me your works on WhatsApp. I can mention my WhatsApp number. That's +233 55 719 2252. Okay, you can text me on WhatsApp and send me your work on how you went on, the results of your work, and if you have any questions or any assistance, I can just offer it to you. You can also follow me on Kelvin_Dark, and you can also follow Kairos Pixels on Instagram by just searching Kairos Pixels and then Kairos Pixels on Twitter. And then yeah, so it's bye for today.